Bird bitches be like, oh, let me call my bitch. What's that bitch number? That bitch Alexis number. She comment on my man picture saying thank you, bitch. Just because he commented on your picture saying you sexy, don't mean you gotta say thank you. Give me that bitch number. I'm gonna press this bitch right now. Okay, let me write it down. 456-55555. Oh, all right. I gotcha. I'ma call this bitch like I ain't playing no type of games. This bitch is tripping. 456-55555. Hello? Hello? This Alexis? Bitch, I'm at your head. Why the fuck you on that man for? Why you on that man for? Just because he commented on your picture saying you sexy, you gotta say thank you. You don't gotta say thank you, bitch. Now when I'm seeing you, I'm at you. No words, no ifs and ands. Bitch, I'm at you real quick. Like, I'm at you, bitch. Just know. Fuck out of here. Like and share, whatever. Don't talk shit, cause you know how I am. But anyways, stay tuned for more videos, cause I'm really honestly gonna make more videos, keeping it on my motherfucking 100. Well, whatever. Stay tuned.